Hello everyone, welcome to RAHUL Enterprises. We deal with KitchenAid home appliances like 2.6 liters Artisan with 11-speed power blender, Liquify smoothing soap with self-cleaning mode, 1.75 liters Artisan 5-speed diamond blending system with intellect speed motor control, pulse mode with crush ice and hot foot features. STELLA kettle with LED indicator, removable lime scale filter, smooth rounded design with the capacity of 1.25 liters. 9-cup food processor, chop and slice, mix and knead dough, simple shredding. 1.9 liters stone top kettle with assist thumb pressure spout. Handle with comfortable grip, removable lid. 1.7 liters electric kettle with digital variable temperature display. 2-slice manual pop-up toaster. Comes with wide 2 slots with bagel function with controllable shade adjustment. SIPHON coffee brewer. Authentic vacuum brewing with unit tongue. 3.5 cup foot chopper. Simple one-touch operation. 2-speed with pulse operation, which is perfect for everyday kitchen. Cold brew coffee maker, compact fantastic device which use no electricity, can refrigerate and give a smooth cold brew coffee.